Yesterday we were animal track detectives, and today we're going to make our very own tracks. Maybe not just animal tracks, maybe you saw some other tracks yesterday. So I'm going to show you a few different ways how you can do this activity. So I picked some paint, so I have some brown paint here, and I've got a few different things that I'm going to try out. So I have a car here. Maybe you went and you saw some tracks on the road in your driveway. So I'm gonna really carefully just put that in my paint, see what happens. Hey, that's kind of cool. And maybe some of the things that you have different things on the wheels that would make an even different track. So this is just a really fun activity, but this is making tracks with a car that I had. Now, I did find I found a little bird. And if you have some little animals, like I have a little dinosaur here, it's always fun to dip those in the paint and make your own tracks. So let me see it. They are fork-shaped. So this is a pretend bird, and these are fork-shaped. So I'm going to see if I can get a little bit of paint on there and make some bird tracks. Oh, it's working. So these might look familiar of what you saw in the snow. Oh, those are good. So there they are, right, going up the side, little bird tracks. Now let's try this dino out. That's not what the real size dinosaur looks like, but it's just fun dipping them in the paint. Oh yeah. And making your tracks. So here's the dino tracks going around. Now, if you wanted to make your own track, I found this cork here, and I'm just gonna dip it. Remember the paw-shaped tracks? I'm gonna do the bottom, and then I'm gonna add the little pads at the top with my paintbrush. So I made some tracks like that at the bottom. And then I'm going to show you with my hand. I'm going to make another track. Here it goes. This one's a bit messier. So I'm going to put my hand like this. And then I'm going to use my finger. Hey! That almost looks like a footprint. Like our footprints. Hey, we leave tracks too. Maybe tomorrow we'll do some more investigating on our very own footprints. So whatever you decide to do, there's lots of different options and lots of fun ways that you can paint with tracks.